that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but really they find no mistake. I am glad that I learned of her meekness. I am proud that my name is on her book. For I want to be one, never fearing on the face of my Savior to look. When he cometh descending from heaven on the clouds as he writes in his word, I'll be joyfully carried to meet him on the wings of that great